If you've forgotten your password for Legacy National Bank, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Legacy National Bank website. Go to the official Legacy National Bank website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions on the password reset page to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements, then confirm your new password. Now you can log into your account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.